Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have a quick tool haul from Home Depot. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Picked up a couple ratchet straps and some snap blades, or not snap blades, but some utility blades. So please stick around. Hey everybody, so we're gonna just do a quick video. So video before this was the Milwaukee jacket and the Husky 10-inch long quarter, 3/8 and 1/2 inch extensions, as well as the 7-inch rafter square and the 4.5 inch smaller square from Milwaukee. And the jacket, I did, like I stated in that video, I did mess with my wife. I asked her what she thought of my new Milwaukee hoodie, and she's like, "Oh, I'm gonna have to steal that from you, because that looks just like the one I wanted." And she was all upset. She was upset. She wasn't happy about it. I thought it was funny. I got a giggle out of it, and then I took the Milwaukee sweater off and said, "Happy early Christmas, here's your present," and I put it on her head and I walked away. But she likes it. She's at work right now. She's wearing it. But to get to this video, she got off work at 4 p.m. We decided to shoot back to Home Depot. I wanted to show her some of the new gloves that I had found from Milwaukee. And then I was looking for these the first time I was at Home Depot yesterday, and they didn't have any on the shelf. And then when we went back at 5, got there at like 5 p.m., there was these two on the shelf. So they must have stocked them after I left. But these are extremely heavy. Like, extremely surprised on how heavy these are. These were $9.98. This one's already partially open for whatever reason, probably because the package is messed up. But it says 500-pound working load per strap. They're 10-foot by 1-inch wide cam buckle tie downs, 4-pack. I use these. I bought particularly because I needed some tie downs for stuff in the barn. And the part number on this guy is 1005411 They're Husky brand. Everything I picked up is Husky brand. And I'm not using these. These are not going to be holding 500 pounds. They're not even going to be holding probably 60 pounds. And I'm not going to be using all of them. I just grabbed 2 packages because it was easier to grab them now than it was when I actually need them. Just pop it off. It's already open anyways. So that's what these guys look like. These are very nice straps. I might, for the price, I might go back and grab a couple more and throw them in the truck. These are very nice straps. But the ones I'm using these for is particularly for hanging stuff from the roof of my barn. I do mount a lot of stuff to the roof. I got like bags and extra Husky bags and extra gun bags, things that I'm not using at the moment, and they're just in storage until they're needed, hanging from the barn, including a $900 stroller system that I had for my kids from Britax, and the car seat and everything. I just put some holes in the roof, some hooks, and hung stuff up. But I want to hang the stroller up, so I'm going to use 2 of these to hang the stroller to get it out of my way. And then other things I picked up is the serrated edge utility blades. It says 2 times sharper blades. Part number for this is 1000044 They were $14. It was cheaper because you can get a 5-pack of these for $2.97, but if you, to equal the $14.97, to do it that way, you'd have to be like $15, almost $16. You'd only get 20 blades. This year you get 50 for the same price. So that's why I picked these up. It just seemed a lot cheaper. This one actually has a belt clip, which not very many come with a belt clip. That's the blade right there with the serration. I'm going to use the serrated blades for box cutting and stuff like that. And this is the hook utility blade. This is a 75 blade pack for $14. It is part number 10030407330. It's also on the box. So when you take the box out of the packaging, you don't got to worry about not remembering the part number. You can just look at the box itself. For cutting roofing materials, carpet, and other heavy-duty materials. This guy has the hook in the mounting holes in the back. Does not have a belt clip. Just gonna pop it out the cardboard. This is one of those ones you use your finger, slide on the bottom with your finger to slide it out. That's what they look like. Slide it back in. Good to go on that. I'm not going to unpackage this one on video. I already unpackaged one of them. I'm probably just going to leave this one in the package until I'm ready for it. But these are really nice. And if I remember correctly, I bought a crap ton of these style tie-downs, cam buckle tie-downs at Walmart, and they were never as heavy as these 4. These are heavy. They're very heavy. Probably somewhere in the range of, I don't know, 6 pounds for these 4 right here, especially in the package. The package, it feels about 3 or 4 pounds, maybe a little more, 6 at most. Little rubber bands, those cheap little clear rubber bands. But all in all, it's a nice set for the cost. And, you know, I'm not using them for anything fancy or, you know, anything that's going to take a crap ton of weight. I'm sure they'll hold 500 pounds. I've never had one of these ties, these styles, even the cheap ones from Walmart, but I'm pretty positive these are cheaper than the ones at Walmart. I think the ones at Walmart for a 4-pack is like $15 or something now. But, just wanted to quickly show you what I picked up. I'm gonna put these with all the rest of my utility knives, and I have quite a bit of utility knives. His bottom drawer is dedicated to knives and scrapers. I have a lot. I have large, wide, DeWalt. I have a thin, a little small weed eater engine. I have a smaller DeWalt. I have some hyper tough ones. I have hyper tough utility blades right there. I got Cobalt, got Crescent. I have Alpha blades in here. Milwaukee. I have a lot of blades in here. Saws, Mossy Oak, a couple older Stanley. I have a Stanley 299 in here. So there's another Alpha right here. This is an Alpha also. It's an old style Alpha, but they're gonna come in handy. I use them all the time. That's why, you know, I originally bought the cheap ones, but these are the serrated and the hook. So I have a set of just the generic Hyper Tough 50 pack, made, assembled in the USA, factory certified, blah blah blah. These utility blades I don't use all that often, but when I do use them, I use probably 6 or 7 at a time. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. I do like the serrated edge style. You just slide and it gives you a blade. I do like that. But as always, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics, and top of the description I got an Olsa Tools link. If you guys need anything from Olsa Tools, go check them out. Use that link. It will give you 10% off of your next purchase, as well as it kicks back me a 10% off availability on my next purchase from them. So go check them out, save you some money if you guys need anything. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace!